Hello second class, get ready for today's EVS class. Students, in our last class we have learned about that how we are dependent on plants for food. Clear students? Now students, please close your eyes and think of an animal. Imagine you are that animal. Think about where you live, what you do each day and what you eat. Students, what would happen to you if there were no plants? Students, when you were imagining, you probably saw many plants that made your life better. क्योंकि एनिमल्स जो हैं वो जंगल में रहते हैं एंड plants are very useful for them. Plants gave them means plants gave you shelter if you were an animal. They feed you and they provided shade from the sun. Clear students? Students, as you know, we are doing block 7, importance of plants, and today we will look at two groups of animals to find how they depend on plants. Clear students? Students, here are some pictures of some animals. This one is group 1. This picture is of first group and this picture is of second group. In the first group you can see animals like squirrel, bird, snake, bugs, monkey, honeybee and butterfly. And in the second group you can see cow, horse, giraffe and elephant. Now student, tell me, what is common to the animals in group 1 and what is common to the animals in group 2? Let's discuss the answer. Animals in group 1 live on or near trees and animals in group 2 eat plants. Clear students that how animals are depending on plants? Some animals live on or near trees and plants and some animals eat plants. Clear students? Now students, tell me, which other animals live on or near trees? What do cows eat? Do all animals eat plants? Let's discuss some important fact about this lesson. Many animals use plants for shelter. Birds make nests on trees. Snakes and squirrels live in holes or near the trees. You can see plants act as a home or shelter for many animals. Many animals eat plants to live. Animals like tigers that kill and eat other animals also depend on plants because the animals they kill eat plants. So जो टाइगर होते हैं, जो कि कार्निवर्स होते हैं, वो हर्बीवन एनिमल को ईट करते हैं और हर्बीवन एनिमल जो है वो क्या ईट करता है? प्लांट्स एंड ग्रास ईट करते हैं. सो लाइक टाइगर, एनिमल्स लाइक टाइगर आर ऑल्सो डिपेंड ऑन प्लांट्स. I hope it is clear to you all. So students, we have learned that animals depend on plants for food and shelter. If plant dies, then animal would also die. I hope you understand that. So moving to our next step, higher order thinking question. Question is, how do animals living in water depend on plants in water? Let's discuss the answer. Animals living in water also depend on plants for food. Some small fish hide themselves in plants to protect themselves from the bigger fish. So वो खुद को हाइड भी कर सकते हैं प्लांट्स में और उन्हें प्लांट से फूड भी मिलता है. I hope you understand the answer. Okay. Now please open your content book of EVS. Lesson 3, Animals and Plants. Let's start reading. Some animals eat plants for food. Other animals like tigers and lions eat plant-eating animals for food. Animals also depend on plants for shelter. सो जो एनिमल्स होते हैं वो प्लांट से क्या, उन्हें प्लांट से क्या मिलता है, फूड मिलता है और शेल्टर भी मिलती है। और जो एनिमल्स दूसरे एनिमल्स को ईट करते हैं, यानी कि जो प्लांट ईटिंग एनिमल्स होते हैं उनको ईट करते हैं, वो भी फूड के लिए प्लांट ईटिंग एनिमल्स पे डिपेंड होते हैं। और प्लांट ईटिंग एनिमल्स किस पे डिपेंड होते हैं, प्लांट्स पे। सो इनडायरेक्टली जो दूसरे एनिमल्स को ईट करते हैं वो प्लांट्स पे ही डिपेंडेंट होते हैं। Clear students? Many animals make their homes in or around trees. Monkeys, birds, honeybees and squirrel live in and around trees. So plants and trees are homes of many animals. I hope lesson is clear to you all. You can see a picture of plants. Clear? You can see a web, spider web near plants. So moving to our next step. Now we will discuss keywords. First one is shelter and depend. You have to write these keywords in your dictionary notebook. Clear? Now please open your worksheet S3, plants and animals. Question number 1 is name 3 animals that live in a tree and 3 animals that live near a tree. So you have to write animals I found in the tree in this box. So जौन से एनिमल्स को आप ट्रीज़ में फाउंड कर सकते हो आप इस बॉक्स में लिख सकते हो। लाइक स्पैरोज अपना नेस्ट बनाते हैं तो ट्रीज़ में होते हैं स्क्वायरल। क्लियर? और इस बॉक्स में आपको राइट करना है एनिमल्स आई फाउंड नियर अ ट्री। सो जो एनिमल्स आपको ट्री के नियर मिलते हैं, लाइक प्लांट्स ईट करते हुए, ग्रास ईट करते हुए, या फिर जिनका होम ट्री के नियर होता है, यू कैन राइट, यू विल थिंक एंड राइट योर आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज what are the different ways in which animals use trees? So you have to think and write your answer that what are different ways in which animals use trees. Animals use trees as their home. They depend trees for food, for shelter. Clear students? So you have to think and write your answer. And last question is draw and show how a fish will use a plant in water. So जो fish होती हैं वो प्लांट्स को कैसे यूज़ करती हैं वाटर में, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ एंड शो। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो दिस इज़ योर वर्कशीट S3. नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस. यू हैव टू डू प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. व्हाई इज़ इट इम्पोर्टेंट टू ग्रो मोर ट्रीज़? सो मोर ट्रीज़ क्यों ग्रो करने चाहिए, क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है, ये आप राइट करोगे। क्योंकि ट्रीज़ जो होते हैं उनसे हमें फूड भी मिलता है, हमें भी फूड मिलता है, एंड एनिमल्स को भी फूड मिलता है। और trees are homes of many animals. So you will think and write your answer. Next one is question number 5. List 5 ways in which you can take care of plants. So you have to write 5 ways in which you can take care of plants. So this is your homework, question number 5 and question number 6. Thank you everyone for watching this video.